This is a 1956 Chevy Nomad. It's a fresh restoration. It's picture documented. It's a California car, stored since 1985. We restored it, but not off the frame, but down to the bare metal, inside and out, and the pictures on all the steps. It has a 350 crate motor, a GM Fuel-Injected ramjet. It's got a 350 horse, 400 foot torque, aluminum radiator, HP coated headers. It has a Jegs 700R transmission, Recromed bumpers, new grille, new emblems, Haligine headlights. It's got a 373 Positrack front, disc brakes, power steering, tilt wheel, a new gas tank. It's got the Gen 4 vintage heat and air, insulation fat mat, new carpet, custom interior, custom headliner, Recromed interior pieces, dash plates, tilt wheel. We called this key lime green and white meringue pearl. Beautiful car. New tail lights, again Recromed bumpers. We have a lot invested in it. We're asking for a reasonable offer. It's a nice classic car, car show ready, nice driver. We're just retiring and just leaning down on some of our toys. Give us a call, 479-394-6424. No emails. We don't text. And I am definitely an amateur with the camera, but I sure appreciate you looking at it. Thank you.